Yo, what up, my fellow hooligans? We are back again for another day. We're just gonna do a short little video. I need to clean this transmission up desperately. This thing's filthy, but we're getting ready to. And then I need to clean my engine bay of the truck too. So we're just gonna do that today. I'm gonna do a short little video. I dropped a website. I'll put the link down in the description. She's still new, and I'm still new, so don't bully me, because it might not be perfect, but we got a few products dropped. Go check it out. Get you some merch. We're gonna come out with some new stuff in the future, hopefully soon. But the website is started, so if you want some merch, go check out the website. Link below. But yeah, let's get into it. You're wondering what's a good deal to get the grease off? I've heard that this oven cleaner works really good. You just spray it on, let it sit for like 20 minutes, and pressure wash it off. But like I said, I haven't tried it, so we're gonna see if it works. If it doesn't, you're about to witness it live, and I'm gonna crash out. In the meanwhile, we're gonna pull this little pan off. Ooh, they're tight. And there's one right there. Ooh, we might have to set the camera down for this one. Never mind, we got it. This is tricky. We gotta set the camera down. She's off. Yep. Gonna do a little polishing on this thing. She needs it. Let's get this bad girl fired up. I gotta run down and swap hoodies real quick, because if I get this all greasy, my mom might not be too happy. She probably disowned me. But we're gonna go swap them real quick. Get this thing washed, boys. She's back in the corner. It did a pretty good job. I think that's probably the best stuff I've ever used. And degreaser works good, but that's way more expensive than this stuff. But I'm gonna get some of the engine bay cleaned up a little more. Now I got that cover off. I'm freezing. But yeah, now it's pretty opened up, so I can do more scraping. Maybe if it gets nice, I'll pull it out and pressure wash it, but I don't know if I could do that again for a little while. But yeah, we'll polish some of this stuff up real quick. Little pause on the truck. We got this supercharged sled that ain't running right. We're trying to get it running. Cannot figure it out for the life of us. We got all master mechanic cash on it though. He'll get her tuned up. I actually hate mechanicking. It's running on like one cylinder once it goes past idle. Well, we still can't figure it out. I'm throwing in the towel for tonight because we got work tomorrow. The old girl's gonna get love another night. She'll get pressure washed when it gets nice. Probably next spring. It's sled season now. Truck can wait. On to the next one. The next one's gonna be snowmobiling videos. Trust me. Yeah. Yeah.